Tanker 13, having ASEAN crew in the meeting point of Atlantic Ocean, which has 50% world tanker trade, is it logical, or is it logical to have Latin crew and the Spanish officers? And also, if we are talking about Africa as the new growth area, yes, because Europe is dead, let's face it. There's no more crew, officers, or 26 different member states are just chicken with no head running around. So, dear tanker ship owner, we're talking about these crew management policies long term. Are we interested in really having investment towards what others don't do? Yes, because the same thing with the European member states is within the policies that everybody is following. Everybody is doing the same policy, which is let's have ASEAN officers ratings. Yes, why not have a different policy if the ships are in Europe, in America? America also is an area that will expand huge. Why? Well, very simple. Well, then, if that is the case about Caribbean, about Pacific, about Atlantic, why not have local crew and invest local and do it differently? Some would like to speak in English, but others will have a 26% cost advantage if it is just Spanish. Why? Because we might need US visa. Then we can have some nationalities. We might need European flag. You're joking. Of course not. Switch it from the tanker. Then put Panama, Liberia, Marshall. Why? Because then we can have Venezuelan crew. Yes, they do get some US visa. And if you don't need US visa, you can also talk about Cubans. But why not have a mixed Latino crew? Because the ships are going to be in the Atlantic Ocean. Yes, do it yesterday. Why? Because the others will follow one day, and perhaps it's a whole bunch of ships, tanker ships, following. So just be the first one making this decision. Use 50 ships. Why? Because we can manage, and then 50 with Spanish and 50 without Spanish or English. Why not? Because the ships will be here, meeting point. Bilbao is the meeting point, has been the meeting point since we found America first, because we were closer. It's just a simple fact. So we are closer to use tanker solution. Don't just do what others do. Don't copy what others do. Have an idea and then be